Hi, I'm Jeff Stanich, founder and CEO of SIMX. Our products make sustainability easy and affordable. I'm here today to tell you about SIMX, which will cut your energy costs dramatically and extend the life of your air conditioners. SIMX will save your facility thousands of dollars every year.
The summer months for sure, we were probably saving somewhere between $2,500 and $2,800 a month. Probably for an annual period, we were saving somewhere to the tune of $22,000 to $24,000.
SIMX is a coating that you spray on your air conditioning units to help them run more efficiently and last longer. And that's why the big air conditioning companies really don't want you to know about us. The big air conditioning companies want to sell you more units. The dirty secret of air conditioning companies is that their units start deteriorating the moment you turn them on. Within a month, the efficiency of that shiny new air conditioning unit has dropped dramatically. Why does that happen? Take a look at this. All condensing coils are made the same way, with copper tubes that are thick and aluminum fins that are thinner. During the first 30 days of operation, the expansion and contraction that takes place leaves tiny openings around the fin-tube connection. These openings prevent even distribution of heat from the tube to the fin. If you're near the ocean and you don't plug those gaps, salt in the air will dry and lodge in the openings, rapidly decaying the unit. If you're close to heavy traffic, pollution will also get inside the gaps and ruin the unit. Either way, you're in trouble. Because of that non-stop damage, over the first 10 years, your unit generally loses 1.5% efficiency a year. In the second decade, the efficiency drop becomes more dramatic. By the end of the second decade, your unit is only operating at 65% efficiency or less. But SIMX fills in those gaps, creating a smooth surface. SIMX stops the decaying process. It makes your unit work better, it improves heat transfer, and improves airflow. Improved airflow means your air conditioner will be able to get rid of heat faster. It will do more with less energy. You'll save money, and you will extend the life of the unit. SIMX is easy to apply. Application can be done by you or your staff in just a couple of hours. You don't need complicated equipment or special training. If you can use a garden pump-up sprayer, you can use SIMX.
Yeah, we cleaned the unit up 2.5 years ago in the wintertime before the summer months began, when we really have big usage on the air conditioning system. And what we saw was between 30 and 35% savings.
Wouldn't you like to save that much on your electric bill? We would love to talk with you about how to make sustainability easy and affordable. Go to simixusa.com for more information.